Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 5 to 10 focused target keywords that match real search intent. This drives every decision. Once done, make sure your blogger theme is mobile responsive, served over HTTPS, and fast. Speed affects rankings. Next, install analytics and verify your site in Google Search Console so you can measure impressions and fix issues. Do these immediately. They unlock data and let you prioritize which pages to optimize first, rather than guessing what users want. You now build the pages that will rank. Craft one or more cornerstone posts of roughly 200 words or more targeting each priority keyword because depth signals authority. While writing, place the keyword naturally in the title, H1, first 100 words, meta description, and short URL to clarify relevance. Once drafted, add internal links from other posts, include structured data snippets for rich results, and compress images to WebP to improve load time. These changes compound. You finish by submitting your sitemap and requesting indexing in Search Console, then monitor impressions, clicks, and positions weekly so you can react. Make iterative improvements. /B test titles and meta descriptions to lift click-through rate and update content where position stalls. If rankings decline or never rise, run a focused audit. Check backlinks quality, identify content gaps versus top competitors, and re-optimize page speed. This targeted troubleshooting typically reveals the single change that moves your pages up.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.